Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to attach the media such as photo on your Apple Notes. So the first thing you have to do, open your Apple Notes application, which is this symbolized with this icon. So you just need to click them to open it. And the next thing we need to do is just go open the documents that we want to attach the files to. Here I already prepared to you one. So this article is talking about the leader, and I will like to give attaching the media like a photo just to like help the explanation of this article. So the next thing we need to do is just make sure that you got the positions that you want to add the media to, and after that you just need to take a look at this line. There will be a camera symbols right here, so you just need to click them. Now to attaching the files, we just need to take a look at the needs of the files that you want to attach. You can choose the photo, you can also use the documents, or you can also take the photo right away in a lifetime. But here I already prepared the photo on my photo library, so I will choose the first rows, and after that just go pick the picture and go click add. And now you already attach the media into your documents. So that is the way how to attach the files or attach the media into your Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.